a 1-year builder's warranty that covers pretty much everything on the home, and we have a 2-year mechanical warranty that comes included with the home. All of the other items in the home have extended warranties, so manufacturer's warranties basically. So you'll have, your roof will be warranted, your basement, from the company that actually installed the product. You'll actually meet your warranty coordinator at the orientation, and she will give you all of your warranty items. After that, we have a 2-month care visit. We'll just tweak anything that's, maybe one of your cabinets isn't closing properly, or a door maybe is a little wonky. So we'll come back and fix all those items. And then we have an 11-month walkthrough with the warranty coordinator, where you can get all of your paint touch-ups completed and any other items that have come up over the year. And that's about it.